Welcome to social media engagement and community building for crypto brokers. In the fast-paced world of crypto, building a strong social media presence is not just important, it's essential. Let's walk you through a step-by-step guide to attract traders, investors, and partners, and grow a thriving crypto community. 1. Define your social media objectives. Before you post a single tweet or reel, set clear goals. Increase your brand awareness. Drive traffic to your crypto exchange. Engage users with valuable content. Convert followers into active traders. And above all, foster a loyal, thriving crypto community. 2. Optimize your social media profiles. Your social media profiles are your storefront. Use a professional profile image and banner. Write a clear, compelling bio describing your services. Add a direct link to your trading platform. And don't forget, pin key posts to highlight promotions, events, or major updates. 3. Content strategy. What to post. Keep your audience hooked with a mix of content. Market updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major trends. Educational posts explaining trading strategies and DeFi concepts. Announcements and promotions, like exciting airdrops or trading discounts. Host AMA sessions, Ask Me Anything, to answer your audience's burning crypto questions. Showcase your team's culture behind the scenes. Post quick videos and reels explaining crypto trends. And keep the engagement alive with polls and quizzes. 4. Engagement strategies for each platform. Every platform needs a tailored approach. On Twitter, post during peak hours. Use trending hashtags like #crypto and #Bitcoin. Reply actively and retweet relevant news. Host Twitter Spaces to spark live conversations. On Telegram, create a lively group. Share market trends and pin important messages. Host giveaways and trading challenges to keep the momentum high. On LinkedIn, be a thought leader. Share articles on crypto regulations, post case studies, and network with industry movers. On Facebook, create a dedicated group. Run targeted ads, host live Q&A sessions, and post fun memes and infographics. On Reddit, dive deep into subreddits like r/cryptocurrency. Host AMAs and post detailed market analyses. On YouTube, post weekly market analysis videos. Create SEO-optimized explainers on trading tools. Go live for trading sessions and webinars. On Instagram, post daily infographics. Engage with fun reels. Use stories for polls and quick Q&As. And on Discord, organize channels by topics like trading tips and crypto news. Host weekly calls and community trading competitions. 5. Measuring success and optimizing engagement. Success is measurable. Use Twitter Analytics, Telegram Insights, Facebook and LinkedIn reports. And of course, track website traffic with Google Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what works best. A smart social media strategy can transform your crypto brokerage, engage your audience, build trust, and watch your business grow exponentially. Start today, stay consistent, and create a thriving crypto community.